ki ta ta ki tayyum ta ta tayyum ta tayyum ta ta tayyum ta tayyum ta ta tayyum ta tayyum ta ta tayyum. Hello everybody, welcome to Bharatnatyam Dance 101. I am Veena and today we will see how to do Natta Adav step number 5. Pataka, hands on the back, Mandalam. Usually we have our legs on the side like so. This time we will have our legs on the front instead of on the sides. So we have Tayya, Tay. So it goes like this. Mandalam, right leg in the front. The leg will be just like that, pointing upward. The toes, just it's going to be in the front. Tayya, and you have your left leg which is on the back. You need to do Tay on that. Tay. Now take this right leg and make a swastika on the back. Same thing like you did on the previous step. You have Tayya. Rest all is the same. Tayya, tay, tayya, tay. Same to the left. Tayya, tay, tayya, tay. Tayya, tay, tayya. Please to practice the legs first before moving on to the hands. Now we will see the hands. Hand will be in 3 pataka, hands on the side, and you need to move your hand in the front. You need to slice it like so. So you have your hands here. Tayyum. You need to look at the hands. Tayyum. Ta, ta. And then your hand should be here on the top like this. Just at the half of your face, the hand should go exactly at the center of your face. Okay? Tat, tat, tayyum, ta. And then just like this, and then you need to bring your hand again here in the home position. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. Let's do that again. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. So when you have your hands here at the center of the head, you will need to look straight, not up. That's where we look. Simple. Alright. So now we will do the other side. Ki, ta, ta, ki. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. Now we will do both hands and legs together. Ki, ta, ta, ki, tayyum. Notice that you need to bring your hand as down as if you are touching your toes. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. Same to the left. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. Ki, ta, ta, ki, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta. Tayyum, ta, ta, tayyum, ta, tayyum tatta tayyum ta tayyum tatta tayyum 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 ta. Well, that was Bharatnatyam Natta Adav step number 5. I hope you learned something new today. Please do practice before going to the next class. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class.